They have the coolest things over here, these big metal pieces. I mean, they have pieces come and go, but they've had some really neat ones also. But how are you guys this morning? It's Monday. I'm up. I'm gonna go visit a girlfriend of mine that I used to work with. I haven't seen her forever, so I decided to go see her. I think she's getting a little butthurt because I haven't been around for a while. But yeah, so that's about it. I'm on the... How are you guys? I'm just leaving CVS. I've been on this kick. I'm trying to get back into using Physicians Formula again. I'm having a lot of problems with my skin. I've been using Mary Kay, Revlon, MAC, different brands, and I'm just having this really bad rash and flare-up that keeps coming back around this area of my face, my eyebrow area. So I'm trying to get back into Physicians Formula, and it's amazing the sales that CVS has been having on them lately. Yesterday was the ending of their ad on Sunday, and it was spend $14 and get $10 back. So I ended up buying one of the Oregon makeups, whatever that is. It's not the BB cream. It's kind of like a BB cream, I guess. But anyways, I'm going to do a haul on everything that I've bought. So I had $10. Well, today's deal that began is spend $10 and get $7 back. So there's the $7 that I got back, and right now. And I got this new eyeshadow that they have out. I've never seen this in the stores before, but that just came out. I was gonna get the other one that has even more brown tones, but I like that blue. I wear a lot of greens and blues. So, and this was more of a matte, and this is called, guys, I don't have my glasses on and I cannot see right now. I believe it's right there. Maybe you can see it better than me. But yeah, so I got that. Got another $7 back. Usually like these kind of promotions, you can only use once on a card. And to redeem it, I think you have to use the same card that's linked to this coupon. So I'm good with that. If I want to go back in there right now and pick another promotion, I could spend that $7. Sometimes I hold on to them to see if I find something better the next week. And then I ended up picking myself, I'm really hungry right now, so I got some peanut butter nugget pretzels. I'm really hungry. Let's spit this gum out. This is the kind of stuff that I'll choose if I go into a store and I don't want to eat a bunch of junk. I'll choose something kind of healthy. And then Walgreens, 90% off all the Christmas, and I saw these there. They don't really have it marked, but they have it sitting where the Christmas is at. So this is a Billboard wireless karaoke mic and speaker. $1.99 it cost me. I almost got two. I'm almost thinking if I should just go in there and get another one. But I thought that'd be kind of fun at night if I'm home and I want to try to sing by myself into a little microphone. I don't know, it's probably kind of corny, but I thought for $2, get it. What else did I pick up? That was it. But I do have, like I said, another this. Walmart also, Walmart Supercenters. If you have them in your area. Physicians Formula. When you flip up their little thing to see the retails, there are tons of makeup being marked down. I have a haul that I'm going to be doing from Walmart. And then, you know, sometimes they have in Walmart the kits that'll come in a box. You can even get them at Ross sometimes. But the kits that have like 3 different things in there, I land one of those for $7. It's got a mineral foundation, the powder foundation, 2 corrective colors in the little tubes, you know, for like the green and the red to reduce, you know, green and red and scars and all that other kind of stuff. I'm going to do a haul on it because right now I've bought a few things. Everything I bought is on sale or free. Like this is free, pretty much. I paid $2.49 for it. It was $12.49. And I gave him a $10 from yesterday coupon, so I paid $2.49 for it. But this is how you build your makeup points with a CVS. I haven't done this for a long time, but I figured because I wanted to revamp all my makeup and getting rid of everything that's old. I don't care what it is. Some of my palettes I'm probably going to hold on to a little bit, my eyeshadow palettes. But if it's something that I'm not using and it's similar to a bigger palette that I have, I'm just going to get rid of it. So I'm really trying to declutter my life, my space, clothing. I'm going to insert a clip here in either before or after this part of the video today about my weight loss, because when I started my first vlog channel, which I noticed I have all my Weight Watchers videos blocked, because that's what I used to do, is all Weight Watchers videos. And all right guys, this is made me vegan. My Kipling bag. $142 pounds today. Haven't been this thin since I was in my 30s.
Oh, let your ride be free.
Bought these green chilies at the 99-cent store, and I'm going to make myself another batch of my potato green chili. But I thought I'd do it old school and cook them up on the stove. So I've got them frying in some grapeseed oil, and yeah, I just wanted to share that to keep it from popping all over. I have one of these green dealy bobbies that's good for bacon also. But yeah, I'm making some fresh fried Anaheim green chilies, hatch chilies, whatever you want to call them. I'm back, and I wanted to show you how the chilies end up cooking. Right here you can tell that I've reduced a lot of the liquid in the chili, and I'm going to continue to cook it. And then when I'm done and I pull them out and they're small like this, all reduced, you're going to peel that skin off of them. And it's real easy to peel off, so it's not difficult, because you're basically roasting that skin off of the chili. You do want to wear gloves though, because let me tell you, you don't want to get that in your eyes. So I usually wear some rubber gloves. I always have some here in the drawer. I use them for hair color, medical. My son-in-law works at a medical place and gave me a bunch of rubber gloves. So yeah, that's how I do my green chilies, and I'll come back and show you the end result. And remember, you can do so many things with this chili. Make salsa, put it in your avocado, make a guacamole with it. I'm going to peel these apart and take the seeds out, and then I'm going to use that for another dish of green chili potato. That came out so delicious, and I ate that for 3 days. I shared it with a friend, and he couldn't believe it was vegan, because it was the zucchini, the green chili potato, and it came out wonderful. So I'm going to try it this time around and see how it comes out. All right, I'll be back in a bit. Chilies, as they are reducing, you can see they're not as puffy as they were, and I just kind of keep turning them, let them get crispy on all sides, and then return them again. But here's one that's pretty much done, and what I'll do is I'll just peel that off when it gets cool, all the skin on both sides. Like I said, I just used grapeseed oil to fry them. I don't buy canola, vegetable, no oils like that. 100% grapeseed. So yeah, I'm going to keep roasting those. I've got it down to 2.4 now. A lot lower temperature, because they are cooking, and you want to cook them kind of slow. But I thought this video would be really nice, because growing up, my grandma used to roast chilies. Not the green chilies here. She did the yellow, the little small yellow chilies, and that's how she used to make her salsa. But I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Right, they're about done. Here you can see the skin just peels right off of the chili, and there you go. You have delicious Hatch Anaheim chilies. And I am going to open that up and take the seeds out of it also. I'm not going to have the seeds in my recipe, so make sure you cut those open and take the seeds out. Make sure you're always wearing gloves when you do anything like this, because there's a lot of acid, and chili is really hot, and if you get that in your eyes, you're going to be in some pain. All right, everyone. Thank you. This is going to be mixed in with some other videos, so hope you enjoyed this. If you have a Trader Joe's in your area, this is a really delicious sourdough bread. I've been eating this one lately. Multi-grain sourdough with sunflower and sesame seeds. And I've got some avocado toast that I made right there. I'm using some of this Himalayan pink sea salt. It's a grinder. These are $1.99. Here's another one that I enjoy. It's the garlic salt, sea salt. So that one's excellent also. But I wanted to show you this. It's kind of worn out. It's clean, believe me. But this mini oven that I have, I got this from Costco probably 2.5, 3 years ago. You guys, that has been such a godsend. I use that to heat everything up. I don't use my microwave anymore. I have a beautiful microwave here that I just don't use. I don't believe in using microwaves. If you look at the reverse of what eating food that's from a microwave does to your system basically has to fight that kind of food that you've put into your body. So I don't microwave, not even hot water. I use my Keurig for that. But I just want to tell you, those little mini ovens are excellent for heating things up. I've cooked fried potatoes in there, you know, crispy potatoes on a cookie sheet. It fits a 12-inch pizza. They're excellent. So if you're looking for an alternative to a microwave, maybe give that a try. Isn't that cute, that little Be Amazing sign? It's LED. I got that for $2.99 at the original 99-cent store. I thought that was so darling. And just a couple of my newest purchases. Some of these are repurchases. I've never tried that foundation right there, so I'm going to give that a try. And just a couple of different things that I got this week. I also picked up this new Wet n Wild. They had a special at Walgreens. I had a $1 off coupon, and if you use your Walgreens card, you got another $1 off. So tried that once, and I really like it so far. It's vegan, and it does have coconut oil in it. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. Bye.